President Bongbong Marcos says the arrest warrants against former Acol Bicol Representative Zaldico and 17 others are now out. This is in relation to their cases on anomalous flood control projects. In a video message on Friday, November 21, Marcos says the arrest warrants were based on evidence gathered by the Independent Commission for Infrastructure and the Department of Public Works and Highways.
Nais kong i-report na ang Ombudsman formal nang naghain ng kaso laban kina Zaldico at iba pang 17 individual batay sa mga ebidensyang iniakyat ng ICI at saka ng DPWH. Hindi po ito haka-haka, hindi po ito kwento. Ito po ay tunay na ebidensya.
The president emphasizes that no special treatment will be given. He adds that because he initiated the investigation into the flood control mess, he will not stop until all those responsible are held liable.
Aarestuhin na sila, ihaharap sa korte at pananagutin sa batas. Walang special na pagtrato, walang sinasanto. Ako ang nagsimula nitong lahat. Ako ang magtatapos. Kaya't asahan po ninyo na wala pong tigil itong aming ginagawa. At kahit na parang napakatagal ang dumaan na panahon, ako'y nagpapasalamat sa pasensya ng ating mga kababayan. Ngunit nagbunga na ng resulta ang mga pasensya ninyo.
Copies of the arrest warrants have yet to be released as of Friday afternoon. Last Tuesday, November 18, the Office of the Ombudsman filed before the Sandigan Bayan the first set of charges against Co and 17 others over the alleged anomalous 289.5 million peso road dike project in Oriental Mindoro.